protractor, diamond tip dressing wheel, just another basic dressing stone, piece of crayon for marking tires or whatever, sample piece of band to check your gullet and your tooth profile. .45 degrees. The angle on your grinding wheel is 45 degrees to this face. And then if you're running your bands at 10 degrees, I set it 10 degrees and set this the band rest at 10 degrees to the 45 degree angle. Heavy dressing with a diamond tip dresser, and wear a respirator. I'm even starting to wear a respirator when I sharpen my bands now. The fine one, the little stone is for dressing up after the diamond tip. Just a shelf. I have a bracket here. It's just welded to the stand, and there's one bolt. One bolt. This you can loosen the bolt and angle. Turn this. Use your sample bands to check your profile. It takes a fair bit of time to get this set up, and I can sharpen dozens of bands before I have to really reprofile this wheel.